What's up? Today, so let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in dollar CAD. As you can see on the lower time frame, we could find a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade dollar CAD. First of all, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now, dollar CAD, as you can see that on the monthly perspective, this price was a long-term bullish. We have seen that the price was moving along this channel on the monthly time frame, and at some point, the previous months and the month before, we have seen that dollar CAD has a strong breakout from this channel, has gone to the upside. Now, after this kind of breakout, what we can expect at some point, the price to come back again to test this previous resistance zone here as a support, and then to start again to the upside. So, with that being said, we can expect now dollar CAD to come back to this level, which is the previous resistance zone here, to test as support on the monthly. So we could potentially see some movement to the downside on the lower time frame. Now let's look at the weekly time frame to see what kind of price action it has created. Now, weekly also we see potential bearish price action. First of all, the previous week you can see it's a full red candle, which is almost the full body red. After this kind of candle, after significant retracement, we can expect another drop towards the downside. Now, where we can expect this retreat back for this move, let's draw all this possible resistance zone. As you can see, there is a red candle here, weekly candle. We could potentially see a drop from here, or we could see early from this level where we can see back to back to weekly support zone, which is acting here as a resistance. Now let's look at daily time frame, how we can relate this information. Now, as you can see on the daily time frame, we see potential bearish price action on the local level. As you can see, there is a strong move followed by a couple of days retracement with a force breakout to the upside, again a strong move to the downside. Now today, as soon as the market opened, we have seen a gap down opening. After this gap opening, what we can expect now, the price to go ahead and test this sum of this level and then to have a rejection. So with that being said, monthly, weekly and daily giving us a potential bearish setup. Now let's look at intraday perspective, how we can find a trading opportunity. Now on the 4 hour time frame, if we look at this channel on the local channel, we have seen that dollar can in fact moving along this channel where we can find a potential resistance and support zone. So if we draw this zone, that what we see, that dollar CAD created this channel where there is a manipulation to the upside, liquidity grab, and then created this impulse. So after this impulse, we now see a correction. What we are expecting, that this correction to go to this zone where we can expect to test this resistance and also this weekly level of resistance with this day 4 hour 20 period moving average. And from that zone, as soon as we will find potential bearish price action, according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider shorting USD CAD to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.